In this video, we're going to look at 11 of the best YouTube channel ideas for introverts. My name is David, and something that many people struggle with when starting out on YouTube is just the early phase of getting started and making their first videos. Often this is because people feel introverted and are just too shy to appear on camera themselves. Being an introvert shouldn't pose any problems though. There are many different YouTube channel niches and video ideas that you can do without having to show your face or ever appear on camera. I'm going to cover 11 different YouTube channel ideas for introverts in this video, and my best advice would be to just try some out and see if there are any that fit your style and message. Now, let's just get into it. Number 1, animation. The first YouTube channel idea I want to suggest is to create animated videos. If you have an artistic touch, want to play around with characters, or just turn stories into cartoons, then animation may be something you can try. The animation quality is often not the main criteria of success. So even if you're not able to animate the next Pixar film, if you can carry some value into your videos, then you can be successful. Some animation channel examples would be Grade A, Andre Tabe, Jaden Animations, some very different types of animation channels. While it's not quite animation, another storytelling technique that you could try is to make videos using stop motion. Number 2, travel videos. If you enjoy traveling and seeing new places and happen to have a camera, then travel videos may be the ideal YouTube channel for you as an introvert. Travel videos do not have to showcase yourself or someone in the scene. Some of the best travel videos put the location in the center point without any distractions. One of the best things about travel videos is that you don't need to start off by traveling to the other side of the world. There's most likely at least 5 or 6 towns or cities or attractions within a few kilometers radius of where you live, each providing multiple video topics and ideas to start growing your YouTube channel. Number 3, DIY tutorials and hacks. DIY tutorials and life hack videos often don't need you to do much on-camera work. More often than not, simply showing how to achieve an objective provides the viewer enough value. These types of videos could be showing how to build something, a cooking recipe, how to get things done more easily, and the list just goes on and on. Number 4, time lapses. Another YouTube channel idea for introverts is to create time lapses. This could be in relation to the previous 2 points I've mentioned, so travel time lapses or DIY build time lapses. I know that van build time lapses were very popular in 2019 and 2020. Time lapses can also be a variety of different things like construction sites, traffic, growing plants, snow melting on mountain peaks, changing of seasons, sunsets, storms, etc. The main thing that you want to pay attention to is showcasing some form of change through your time lapses. Number 5, gameplay and walkthroughs. Quite a popular topic on YouTube is gaming, but new channels can still be quite successful purely on the basis of providing value through gameplay. This could be showcasing your skill, doing walkthroughs to help viewers get past obstacles, or even to see if a game would be something that they might enjoy, or even tutorials on how to accomplish a specific move in games. These don't even have to be the most complicated moves, as you'll find a lot of people are looking for tutorials on even the simplest of things. For example, how to do a chip pass on FIFA. Number 6, compilation videos. Compilations are one of the most popular video types on YouTube, and it's easy to see why. Viewers are given instant satisfaction for whatever genre the compilation is based on. You can compile videos on humor, motivation, goals, tricks, just about anything else that you can think of. In order to make these clips though, remember to reach out to the creators first to ask for their permission to use their videos in your video. And once you've built up a bit of a following, you can then set up a submissions page or an email address where viewers can then submit their videos directly to you, making the permission and searching process all the more convenient for you. Number 7, whiteboard videos. A great way to showcase educational content on YouTube is through whiteboard videos. These videos can be put together quite easily using software like VideoScribe or Doodly, and you can narrate these videos yourself, write up a full script for smooth delivery, or you can send off the script to have a voiceover artist perform it for you. This can also be done at quite an affordable price if you're using sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Personally though, I do think that you should try to do this yourself, as it connects more of you to your audience. And it adds a consistency so that if you do have to change voiceover artists for whatever reason in the future, you can avoid that. Number 8, screen recorded tutorials. Similarly to all other tutorials, screen recorded tutorials are just you showing your audience how to achieve an end result using some form of software. This could be program shortcuts, full tutorials on how to use a program, how you achieve a certain look, for example, how you would edit your photos using Lightroom, and so on. These can be narrated, or you can simply show where you're clicking and what keys you're pressing to get the job done. Number 9, product-focused reviews. Reviews can seem quite daunting, especially if you're an introvert. But a review doesn't have to be you holding the product, explaining what makes it special. You can focus specifically on the product with only product shots and then showing the object actually in use. Again, here you can choose to narrate the different specifications. For example, if you have a lens review, you can explain the features of the lens while showcasing product images and videos and maybe some photo examples. Or you can let the product do the talking and just add some relevant facts on screen for viewers to then draw their own conclusions. Number 10, music. If you're musically talented but too shy to get onto camera just yet, then try playing or singing with a static image in the background. Or better yet, some light B-roll with lyrics on display. These can be instrumentals, you can sing covers, or you can even upload and create your own music. If you're uploading your own music, reach out to larger creators and let them know that they can use your tracks in their videos. Try to find creators where your music would fit in and then write them all. Email, Instagram, their website contact page, find the best way to reach out and get your content in front of them. Number 11 is fitness. And whilst this is not exactly the first niche that would come to mind if you're an introverted person, fitness videos are very similar to tutorial videos. Whilst you will most likely need to be on camera, this doesn't have to be you actually performing on camera, rather just you recording your workout routines, how to do variants of some exercises, and so on. In post-production, you can then decide on whether to just add some text overlay to highlight important things, or maybe you can then add in some narration. Some great examples of channels with fitness videos would be Pamela Reif or Next Workout. Now, I myself am a very introverted person, so what I would also advise is just go out and make videos to overcome whatever it is that's holding you back. If you get some mean comments, don't let other people's opinions affect what you do. They don't know you. And just imagine how sad they must be to spend their time writing those types of comments. If you have value to share, then just share it. It'll reach the people that need to hear it. And for those that don't need to hear it, well, they just don't matter. If you like this video, please subscribe for more YouTube tips, as well as social media resources and the occasional camera-related review. You can also watch another video to the left or right. And in the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.